Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to authenticate your custom domain name using IONOS. Authenticating your domain is a mandatory step if you want to send emails from Systeme.io. It is the absolute best way to improve your deliverability and ensure your emails actually reach your customers' inboxes instead of the spam folder. Let's dive in. First, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your Systeme.io dashboard and select Settings. On the left-hand panel, click on Emails. In Domain section, click the link that says click here to authenticate your domain. A pop-up will appear. Enter your domain name here, but make sure you enter it without the www. For example, just type yourdomain.com. Then click Save. The system will now generate 3 CNAME records and 1 TXT record. To see them, simply refresh your page and then click the eye-shaped icon next to your domain. Keep this window open. Now, open a new tab and log into your IONOS dashboard. Select the domain you want to authenticate, click on the DNS tab, and then click Add a Record. We are going to add the 3 CNAME records first. Select CNAME from the list of record types. For the hostname field of the first record, go to Systeme.io and look at the name provided. This is very important. You must only paste the part before your domain name. Systeme.io will generate some random characters and numbers right in front of your domain. You only want to copy and paste those specific characters and numbers into IONOS. In the points towards field, paste the exact value provided by Systeme.io, which will be inbound.systeme.io. Now, for IONOS, you must add a period at the very end of this value, so it looks like inbound.systeme.io with a dot at the end. Finally, click Save. Now, click Add a Record again for the second CNAME. Select CNAME from the list of record types. For the hostname, copy and paste systeme.io1._domain key. Again, making sure you leave off your actual domain name. In the points towards field, paste key1.systeme.io and make sure to type that period at the end. Click Save. Finally, add the third CNAME record. Select CNAME from the list of record types. For the hostname, paste systeme.io2._domain key. In the points towards field, paste key2.systeme.io, add the period at the end, and click Save. Once the CNAMEs are done, we need to add the final DMARC record. Click Add a Record again, but this time select TXT as the type. In the hostname field, type _DMARC. In the value field, paste the DMARC code provided by Systeme.io. Make sure to replace the placeholder email at the end of the code with your actual email address. Click Save. To make sure you entered everything correctly, open a free website called DNSChecker.org. First, select CNAME from the drop-down menu. Copy and paste the name of your first CNAME record into the search bar, then click Search. Here, you can see that the record is working perfectly. Next, copy and paste the name of your second CNAME record into the search bar, then click Search again. As you can see, this record is also working perfectly. Finally, repeat the same process for the third CNAME record and click Search once more. As you can see, this record is also working perfectly. If all 3 records appear green, you're good to go. Finally, to check your DMARC record, open MXToolbox.com. Use their DMARC check tool by entering your root domain name and clicking DMARC Lookup. Here you can see that your TXT record is set up and working perfectly. Before we finish, here are 4 very important rules for email authentication. First, the domain you are authenticating must have an active, functional website linked to it. If your domain leads to a 404 error page, email providers like Gmail will likely block your emails. Second, you cannot authenticate personal email addresses like Gmail or Yahoo. It must be a custom domain. Third, remember that you still need to confirm your specific sender email address in your Systeme.io email settings before you can start sending. Finally, if you are not using Systeme.io's autoresponder and are instead using your own personal SendGrid account to send emails, you will need to contact SendGrid support directly for their specific IONOS authentication instructions. And that's it. You now know how to authenticate your domain on IONOS to ensure your emails reach your customers.